Hello again everyone, Matt here at Wunderlich America, and today let me show you another great new product we have this year, and that's the Wunderlich USB charging station. So you just purchased the BMW with the factory navigation holder, but you opted out of the navigation screen, or you purchased secondhand and the screen wasn't included. Either way, this option we have will work for you. This charging station will allow you to use your phone as your navigation if you like, or just provide a solid base system with charging capabilities of USB-A and USB-C. But it's a lot easier to show you how everything works, so let's head on over to our 1250 GS and I'll show you this station and everything about it. So here we are at our 40th anniversary 1250 GS without the factory nav system. We still have the factory base here, so that's what the Wunderlich USB charging station is for. So to install it, just simply put your key in the slot, turn the key, and then open up your locking. And then on the top, you will see the two serrations for the locking mechanism, and then the big open one at the bottom. So you just insert the bottom one first, snap it into position, close your lock, turn your key, and then it's locked in place just like your nav screen. So we have three different versions of this charging station. The first one is the universal mount. This will allow you to screw on a range of attachment systems like the Garmin Zumo XT and run a short charge cable to our station and keep from having a long mess of cable routing. Quick, easy, and clean. The next version is for use with our MultiClamp holder. This means you can utilize whatever phone case you want and clamp it in the MultiClamp phone holder. Or maybe you're a vlogger or a YouTuber and you can use the GoPro mount and then mount your GoPro, or even add in our articulating arm to get any video angle you may need, all while having a charging station at the base. The last version is for the SP Connect system. This comes with many different configurations as well. First, you have to start with a SP phone case or the adhesive-backed SP adapter if you would like to maintain the phone case you already have. Then, it's as simple as line up the case with the corresponding attachment point on the base, then turn your device and it's locked in place. Another option from the SP line is if you have wireless charging capabilities on your device, we offer the SP wireless charging module. This way you can incorporate the charging module onto the charging station, plug it in, then anytime your phone is attached, it will be charging without having to mess with the cable anymore. Super cool system on this, in my opinion. Overall, if you have the factory nav base on your BMW and don't want to pull the trigger on the factory nav system, then this may be a great option to help guide you on your next adventure. And don't forget to jump over to our website and enter your year and model into our bike finder to see what other navigation accessories we offer for your BMW. So if you have any questions on piecing this system together for your BMW, just give us a call at 828-489-3747 or shoot us an email at info@wunderlichamerica.com. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to speed on all of our future videos. Let us help you complete your BMW. I'm Matt, thanks for watching and enjoy the ride.